transparency is key, and it's not only transparency of what you do in relation to the environment, in relation to social or governance in your business, but also in your supply chain and in your customers. And then due diligence. We need to show it. It's all about evidence. Companies cannot say anymore that they do stuff. They have to show how they are changing their business model, how they change their relationship with suppliers, with their customers, to actually embed sustainability.
It seems to me that this legislation is moving action to the front and center of what we're talking about.
Completely. And so the first thing you need to do is develop your own gap analysis. Like, what do we need to report on? What do we currently have? And what a lot of organizations forget is there's already a lot happening in their business. It's not that you start from zero. Everybody's already on the journey. And some people, or some companies, for example, they have been signed up already to so many different standards.
It's very much a business problem at its core. It's about taking advantage of a big opportunity, and shouldn't be felt like it's a sustainability problem over there. It's really core to what everybody should be doing. And to be fair, a lot of people are, but we just want to encourage more people to engage on that.